Bring it on. Ooh. What are you doing, Tay?
Hell yeah, I got the bag of it!
Where'd he go?
Who's going in your vehicle?
Get away from my bag!
Are you throwing poop at your monkey?
I'm a monkey, it's kind of what I do.
Isn't that what monkeys do? Throw poo?
Chicken.
Ready to call it truce? Because keep in mind, you're not getting anywhere near my bag of poo.
Keep it out of my truck. He's got that big green horn on his forehead giving him away.
Come here, Rhino. Oh! Ninja.
Yeah, redneck ninja.